Hi, I'm Sadie and I'm a Year 5 teacher.
Hi, I'm Zara and I'm a Year 2 teacher.
Thank you for being here. On the sides, you should see a mini whiteboard. Please pick it up, as well as the pens and the eraser. I'm going to ask you a series of questions, some light-hearted, some deep, some odd. The first question, are you ready?
Yep.
Have you ever cried at work?
What did you put?
Yes. Did you?
Yeah. Why have you cried?
Stress.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was a morning and my day just didn't go as planned.
Yeah. It gets like that sometimes.
Yeah.
I think mine, I don't tend to try and cry about work as such when I'm at work to do with work. I think mine is like, if something happens personally, like mine was because I lost a family member at work, and that was also something hard to deal with whilst you're at work. But if I had cried for work, it's normally at home. So I don't really like people seeing me cry.
I don't do that.
I just let out.
The only time I've cried at work, it was because of what, it was just like
overwhelming.
Too much. Yeah.
Have you ever cried in front of another teacher?
Who did you cry in front of?
Daisy.
Mine's Daisy. So Daisy is our one of our close friends that we work with. And I think we just feel comfortable to cry around each other. We wouldn't go around to someone that we don't particularly know. It's always someone that we feel comfortable with.
And luckily when I cried, Daisy was my partner teacher at the time.
Yeah, that works.
So someone who I was close with, and still am close with.
Has a student ever called you mum before?
Oh, I don't all the time. I don't even need to write that down.
All the time.
And they get so embarrassed as well. And I'm like, I heard it.
Especially because mine are younger. They're like, miss. I say to them, like, don't worry, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm like, it's fine.
And they're like, they get all red.
What is the latest you have left work?
Oh, that's easy to explain.
Yeah, I think 10 p.m. was when we had Ofsted coming in. We got the call and we had to stay until quite late.
Yeah.
And I even went to my child's parents' evening and
then
came
you came back.
Yeah, and we didn't leave until about 10:30.
I think you left later than we did. I left at like 9 because I just didn't want to
burn out. Couldn't do it anymore. But yeah, that was the latest. Yeah.
Do you really think kids should be given homework?
Should we write that one? I think
it's like yes or no.
Yeah, I think it's good to have them accountable for something at home and to retain that kind of information taught. But also I can see how much pressure it gets put on the teacher to have to create it during
and also the parents.
And the parents, because a lot of our parents in our area, they can't read and they can't write, so it's really hard
they struggle with it.
to help their own child, and I think they feel a bit embarrassed, and I think it's not really fair to put them in that position as well as the child.
Draw your favourite student.
Oh, okay.
I don't even have one. Oh no, this is so bad.
Oh wait, that's wrong.
Does she even have hair like this?
I'm starting again.
So bad at drawing. I'm Picasso.
Mine just looks quite generic.
Yeah.
But
does it have to be full body? No. Okay.
I'm just gonna do that. Can I write their name?
No.
She's my favourite.
We're both true girls.
She's like my little PA. I love her.
Oh, awful.
What school year is the naughtiest?
I think
currently
in our school.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. You don't know. What are you gonna say?
I would say year 5 or year 6.
Year 6.
Oh, compared to year 5?
I think my class are okay at the minute. I think year 6 are going through some stages where they just don't care, and I've never seen a year 6 like it. They honestly do not care. Yeah, I would say year 6.
At least our answers were similar.
Yeah.
What school year is the most well-behaved?
I think we're going to have different opinions.
Really? You
think-
don't see them in assembly.
I don't, but I feel like we
see
haven't
mine.
heard much about them anymore. And I feel like you're saying year 2 just because you work in year 2.
Well, because actually, to be fair, my class over
Yeah, the other year two.
year 2,
No.
it's like a jungle in there.
So I'm going to say year 3 because both of them are kind of calm now.
Yeah, but that's because they're consistent teachers.
Yeah.
What was the nicest thing a student has ever done for you or given you?
Oh, I'm just going to say mine. Last year, a boy gave, or he didn't give me, but he made me like a peace box, and it had all of different things that I liked. It had like coffee and like just
so
like things that I'd
cute.
mentioned. But it
That
was
is
so
really
nice because
nice.
he'd gone home, obviously spoke about it with his mum, and then brought it in for me.
actually-
It was just a little drawing, but it was so cute. I loved it.
That is cute. I think mine was, and it's going to be really strange because you guys know who it's from, but mine is a canvas of Groot from, what is it called now?
Guardians of the
Galaxy, yeah. And he actually like painted it and took time to paint it on the canvas, and it took him a couple of weeks, and I've got it displayed in my classroom because he asked my favourite character from there, and
That's cute.
that was cute.
Draw a visual representation of how you feel the students see you.
Okay.
Are you drawing like a person?
I'm drawing me. But I'm going to draw like how I think they see me because they draw me all the time.
Do they?
Yeah, not very well.
I'm just going to draw my hair like that.
Oh, my face is a bit like there.
And then I always, oh my God, I always wear my glasses, so they see me with my glasses on all the time. I look really, really scary.
Oh, no, I'm not having my nose like that.
But I'm really happy. Sorry, what is your hair?
I tried to do my curls.
Should have done your little fringe bit.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't look like that. Looks like a sideburn.
But I think they envision me shouting quite a lot. That is awful drawing.
Using the mini whiteboard, write down 3 words how your students would describe you.
Oh, this is really going to contradict my drawing now.
I was going to say funny, but I was going to put fun. But I don't know if I'm fun.
Did you say 3? Oh. What did you say?
Strict, fun, happy, helpful.
That's quite accurate.
Because I think I'm quite strict.
Sometimes.
You are too, to be fair.
Yeah, I guess.
Now, do the same, but as if fellow teachers were describing you.
Did you put, I thought you put amazing.
Annoying, funny,
We both put loud though.
Yeah, because we are known for being quite loud.
Are you able to say what each of yours say, please?
So mine says annoying, funny, and loud.
Mine says loud, energetic, and fun.
What makes a good day at school?
Are you writing it?
Oh,
I think when things just fall into place, or you teach a lesson
and it just
just
clicks with all the kids. Yeah.
That is the best moment because I just think I haven't got to do anything extra. I know when I'm marking my books are just going to be tick, tick, tick. It's just bliss.
Yeah.
I think.
Sorry, I would agree. And also when I have my coffee in the morning, and it tastes amazing.
I need a tea.
Yeah.
What is your favourite dish from the school cafeteria?
I'm gonna be. I don't really eat that. I've had it once actually, and it's The fish and chips is kind of good.
No.
What, you don't like it?
Not at all. Not anything.
But I've never, the only time I ever eat from there is if it's inset days.
I only eat from there when it's Christmas dinner day and we have to sit with the children, which I really enjoy. But the food,
I really like Christmas dinner, actually. They did a
you get the vegetarian option.
Yeah, but they did a really nice, like, butternut pie or something. I don't know what it was, but it was lovely.
Yuck.
Oh, stop. It was really nice.
What is the most embarrassing thing to ever happen to you at work?
Oh, so we have a lady who comes in from like to check our books, and in the morning I'd realised that one of my fingernails, one of my fake nails, had gone missing, and as she was checking through our books, she opened one of the books.
And she found them.
And my nail was in there. And she was like, "Oh, what's this?" I could have died. I think that has to be. There's probably a few, but that has to be one of the most embarrassing. I don't really know
if I have one.
You ever fallen off your chair or anything like that?
No, sometimes actually, do you know, sometimes when I wear my shoes, they're quite, like, you know, my black ones, my paint ones, they're quite high up, and sometimes my ankle does that. But I wouldn't say that's really embarrassing. No. I don't think anything really embarrassing has happened to me at work.
What is the best and also the worst thing about being a teacher?
Best.
If you choose one best and one worst aspect of it.
My best thing would just be like being with the kids. I just love it.
Yeah, I was going to say the relationships that you can build with the kids. Like, I really enjoy looking back and like kind of reminiscing on students, and sometimes when they come back to visit, I like seeing how they got on and talking about kind of the relationship that we built.
Yeah.
I think the worst thing is sometimes the workload.
Yeah. I wouldn't even say
the unnecessary workload, because we know we have to mark books, we know we have to plan lessons, but it's the extra things that we know we don't really need to do that we still have to do.
Yeah.
What current trends are you seeing the school kids do?
Get sturdy.
What's
do you know how
that?
That dance where they're like going to break their knees, and I sound old now, and they keep trying to get me to do it, and every time in the playground they are getting sturdy where they're dropping down and doing these leg kicks, and that's a trend at the minute in Key Stage 2.
Oh yeah, I don't really think, in Key Stage 1 we don't really...
What about like
have any
comics, cartoons?
No, not really, no. Well, they all, when it was World Book Day, they all came in dressed as Spider-Man.
Oh, so the classic,
yeah. I don't know if that really counts.
If money was no object, what would you have in your classroom?
New whiteboard, new computer, new projector, unlimited resources like pencils, rulers.
And like reading books.
Glue sticks.
Yeah, just every single resource you think you would need in the classroom, I would have.
And do you know what? Yeah, because I don't think I'd want them to have, or maybe new computers, like for them. Like,
yeah, like, you know, like our Chromebooks.
Yeah, I wouldn't want them to work on a computer like constantly.
No.
Because I think they need to write, but just everyday resources, but an unlimited amount.
Reading books. Yeah. Obviously, I know we get those anyway, but
not enough.
Like, just like unlimited.
Yeah.
If you could take students on a field trip anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Oh, that is a really good question.
Anywhere in the world. Do you know what? I would like every child to experience Disneyland Paris. Only because they see it on TV. It's something they see on TV quite a lot. And
I wouldn't even say Disneyland Paris. You've got to take them to the real thing.
Well, like America. Oh, yeah. Okay.
You got to go there.
Especially something like that, though. Something where they can actually experience like more than one thing. So let's say beach then. Okay, beach, theme park, all those things that they can experience. Because you know, even the children in our schools, they're not going to get to experience things like that. So I think something like that. Somewhere where they
have to also go on an airplane.
Yeah.
They have to.
Yeah, definitely.
Because I don't think they understand the concept of, like, it takes a long time. Like, I remember last year I did geography, and someone said, I said, how long do you think it takes to get to Singapore? And they said, like 10 minutes. I was like, you've got to go on an airplane.
And a lot of them had never been on an airplane.
No. Somewhere abroad.
Yeah.
America.
Okay, using a whiteboard, how long would your students survive a zombie apocalypse?
I reckon, though, I'm going to elaborate on my answer because I reckon that there would be some kids that would really know what they need to do, but then there'd just be some kids that were like, see you later.
I feel like my kids, because they're older, they would think they know what they should do, and they would just do the totally wrong thing, and not a chance. And then they'll all be dictating to one another, and that's it. The zombie's just going to come and game over.
With the knowledge your students currently have, how confident are you that they could restart humanity if they were the only humans left?
Not very confident. Only because sometimes it's so hard to get a child to retain information, I think. And the minute you think they've got it,
they don't.
You could just go to the next day. It could be the next hour. It could be after lunch. And you'd be like, what did we speak about?
They wouldn't be able to tell you, would they?
We don't know. And so, not very confident. No reflecting on our teaching.
I think my answer is valid, though, because my children are 6 and 7 years old.
Yeah.
They don't even know what they have for breakfast when I ask them at 9 o'clock in the morning.
They just find it so hard to concentrate sometimes. So, I don't know. I mean...
They wouldn't be able to.
No.
No way.
Not yet.
Point blank.
Okay, that's it. No more questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, Sade TV, it is a wrap.